Imagine building stunning web apps and powerful websites that wow your current and future employers. What if you could achieve this in just few months? This bundle is your chance to turn that dream into reality. With the New Year Web Dev bundle, you will go from a complete beginner to building 5 full-stack web apps, today's most sought-after technologies. This skill set will make you unstoppable in tech, whether you are landing your dream job, starting your freelance journey, bringing your own project ideas to life. This is not just another online course. It's your complete guide to becoming a confident, capable web developer. Picture the moment you finally hit publish on your first app, the pride you will feel showcasing your skills to the world. This bundle is your ticket to that moment. Join today. I will see you inside the course. Let's make 2025 your year to thrive in web development.